Hello friends, today we are going to see how to create a database in phpMyAdmin. How to do it. So first we open XAMPP. So let's open XAMPP. See this one, XAMPP control panel. Then after opening it, we have to start Apache. Also we have to start MySQL. We saw that Apache helps us to view our project offline, and MySQL helps us to connect to database. That is why we need to start MySQL when we are going to use a database. So after starting MySQL, we need to click here on admin to open phpMyAdmin. So we click here, then we wait. So this is phpMyAdmin. As we can see here, we have new. So this new is used to create a new database. So then we click here on new. Then here we have create a database. And here we have database name. So here we put database name. So let us type DB. Then after we click here on create. Okay, so this is our database. Database has been created. So if we want to edit this database or we want to delete this database, then we come here on operations. So we have first to click on database, then we come here on operations. Then here we go down, we can drop the database. You can click here on drop database. If we click here on drop, then we click OK, automatically database will be deleted. Okay, so let us create it again. DB create. So now if we want to edit it, we come here also on operations, then we come here on rename database. We can say my database. Okay, then after we click on go, then okay. So in this case, automatically database will be changed to my database. Okay, so but let us use only DB. So DB, then go. Okay, so our database is DB. So here they are saying no table found in database. So if you want to create a table, we will use this feature, but we will see how to create table in the next lesson. Now the next is to add user to this database. The user will allow us to connect to this database. How to do this? So we come here on more, we click on more, then we click on privileges. After we have here new, add user account. So we need to click here on add user account. Here, add user account. After clicking here, we put the username. So let us say that the username is Nyanja. Then the host must be local. It is local. Then you put password. Here we choose any password. So for example, for me, let me choose my password. Okay, then we type password. Okay, then after we click here. Okay, we can even generate a password, there's no problem. Then after we come here on global privilege, we check all. After checking all, then we go down, we click on go. So automatically the user will be added to this database. So this user Nyanja will help us to connect to this database, so that we'll be able to insert, to delete, to update any record in database table. So this is how we create a database in phpMyAdmin. Next time we shall see how to create tables in this database. Thank you for watching. See you next time.